Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Zoey from K-pop demon hunters eating ramen. So first we're going to get started with the eye, and we're going to start in the corner, curving this line around and back in together. We're going to move across on the right and just replicate that. Let's move up now, thickening that line across. So we're going to bring this line over and back down in the corner. Now on the top of both eyes, let's draw in a circle for the highlight. And then we're just going to color in the rest of the pupil black. Now let's move in towards the center. For the nose, let's draw in a small arch line. For the mouth, on the left and right hand side, we're going to curve this line down, creating a small bracket. For the ramen now, inside the mouth, we're going to draw in an arch line coming across. On the left and right hand side, let's curve this line out. And now we're going to draw in 4 curved lines. So we're going to curve this up once, number 2, number 3, and lastly, number 4, just closing that off on the side. Now from here, let's draw in the rest of the ramen. So from that point, we're going to curve this up from the center and then also on the right hand side. Let's move over now and draw in the hands. So we're going to curve this line around and in. We're going to come across on the right and do the same thing. Now for the center finger, we're just going to curve this line around and back across. Now let's move up. For the eyebrows, we're going to arch this line over on a diagonal line on both sides. And then from the bottom, just curving this around and down. Now let's draw in the cheeks. So we're going to curve this around and in towards our eyes on both sides. And then we're going to bring this line straight up on a slight diagonal towards the top. Let's close off the bottom of the face now, curving this in towards the ramen in the center. And then now let's close off the hair. So we're going to draw in a curved line that comes out on the left and right hand side. From here, let's draw in the bangs. So we're going to start on the top, curving this line over and across. From that point, we're going to arch that in towards the center. And then moving up on the left, we're just going to replicate that on the top. Now from here, coming down, we're going to curve this line in towards the middle. And then again from that point, just bringing that back up towards the top. Now from here, curving this over, we're going to bring this line across. And then from that point, just arching this background and in towards the top. Stepping underneath, let's curve this line back down towards the right eyebrow. Let's bring this line over towards the side. And then again, we're just going to arch this line over and up. Starting right in the middle now, we're going to curve this line over towards the right. And then from that point, we're just going to bring this line back down on the right hand side. Now from here, we're going to arch this line around and down. And then we'll do the same thing on the right. Let's draw in the ears now. So on both sides, let's draw in a nice big half circle. On the top, let's curve this line out. And then moving underneath, we're going to arch this line down again. Let's draw in the rest of the hair behind now. So we're going to curve this line in, stepping beside that, replicating that. And then one more time as we move down. We'll do the same thing on the right, curving this around and in, stepping down. And then one more time. Now let's close off the ramen cup. So we're going to start with the outside line and we're going to curve this around and all the way in towards the center. And then we'll do the same on the right. We're going to move up now, replicating that pattern, bringing that over and through on both sides. Now let's close off the side of the cup. So we're going to draw a diagonal line coming down on the left. We'll do the same thing on the right, and we'll just make sure that we end that at the same height. Let's close off the bottom of the cup now with a curved line from left to right. Let's move up. We're going to draw in another curved line, bringing this all the way across and in. Now let's draw in the name Zoey. So we're going to start with a Z. So we're going to draw in a Z over here. And then we're going to start on the top, curving this back around, just following that letter. Let's move into the middle, drawing in the letter O. And then we're going to move around that again, just replicating that one more time. Now let's move over the letter E. So we're going to draw in the letter E, bringing this over and across. Starting on the bottom, curving this in, doing the same on the top. Let's bring this line up in towards the middle. And then from here, just curving this back around and through, connecting that together. Now let's draw in the letter Y. So we're going to do the letter V first. We're going to curve this around and through on both sides. And then we're going to bring this line down and back up on the right. Let's draw in Zoey on the ramen cup now. So we're going to start on the left-hand side, curving this line all the way over and down towards the side of the page. Let's draw in the bangs, curving this over and up. Let's bring this line back down, across and over. And then again, down, across. On the right-hand side, curving this down. Let's move over and draw in the eyes now. So we're going to bring this line across, bring this around. We'll do the same on the left. Let's draw in a small highlight on the top, so just thickening up that line to create a small circle in the middle. Now let's draw in the eyebrows. So we're going to curve this around and down. In the center, let's draw in a small curved line for the nose. For the ramen, we're going to draw in a curved line coming across. Let's draw in this line coming down towards the bottom. We'll do this 4 times in total. Let's close off the head. So we're going to curve this down towards our eye. We're going to bring this back around for the cheek, curving that in. And then we'll bring this over towards the side, ending this at the same height. Now from here for the ear, let's curve this back around and through. On the top, arching that over, and then again curving it back down. On the side, let's curve this line up. On the bottom, arching that out. Now on the left-hand side from the bottom, we're going to bring this line around and in towards the O. Let's bring this line across towards the left. We're going to curve the corner, bringing this up, curving that back across. Now from here on the top, we're going to again curve this line all the way over towards the right. Let's curve this line down and in towards the head. And now let's draw in a star. So we're just going to draw in a 4-pointed star on the right-hand side here. We'll do the same on the left. Let's move down now. We're going to draw in another star on a diagonal. And then again, just another 4-pointed star on the bottom. And that is it. That's how you draw Zoey from K-pop Demon Hunters eating ramen. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.